All right, getting ready to do a 2016 Hyundai Elantra interior detail. A little bit dirty, not too bad. I think the worst thing in here is the seats. They had some stains on them. We're going to take an attempt to clear those out with the little soapy water in the shop vac. You can see door jambs are pretty dirty. The other plastic in here is pretty dirty. The trunk can use a little love, which it will get. Maybe even right up here. We'll go ahead and get above these lights inside the trunk panel area. The door jambs are pretty good. I mean, not the door jambs, but the door skins relatively good. It's these stains in the seats. I can see I'm gonna have to put my most difficult, or not difficult, but my most effort into. That back up there might be a little bit of I'll vacuum it out. It should be all right. And let's take a look at the passenger seat. It's got a little bit of junk going on. The dash is really nice, it just needs to be cleaned. So yeah, headliner's really good. I'm not even going to touch it. So anyway, I'm going to do a little bit of video and as I'm cleaning, and we'll see how it looks at the end, huh? So I got it all worked up and excited about the seats, and I just about finished. I already scrubbed most of the stains off. I don't know if you can see it in this camera shot, but those are gone. There's bad spots there. And well, show you a little bit of what I was doing. Soapy water, spray it on there. Taking me a scrub brush, washing it down like so. And this is pretty much getting it all. I've only come across one spot on the other seat that doesn't look like it's cleaning up. It might be a grease spot. Then I take the old trusty shop vac. And just go sucking up the water. Suck up the water. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but you can see the difference where I use the shop vac and where it's wet. This is the pattern you want to use. Like I said, it's still a little damp, but it'll dry. Okay, pulled it, the trunk rug out, brushed it off, vacuumed it. Now we're gonna vacuum out the inside of the trunk. Get it all cleaned out in there. Put a little dressing on this plastic and we'll call it good. Okay, so trunk's done. Looks pretty nice. Oh, I need to put dressing on this piece and then it will be done. I need to clean up there on the jambs. So I guess it's not as done as I thought. Seats are done. They look better. This one, still a little trouble. Not sure what's going on there. I'm gonna get some of that spray foam upholstery cleaner and give that one a try. Now it's vacuum. Dressing, we're done. All right, had to put up some cardboard. The sun there was blinding the old man working. All right, we're all done. We got it all vacuumed out, cleaned up by soap and water. Now it's dressing time. Looks pretty good. That seat over there needs a little more detail. I think I'm gonna try some chemical spray cleaner. Get that one cleaned up. Let's see, I just now noticed something over here. A little concerned about is that water. Yeah. So we got to shop vac this out real quick, get rid of that water. But yeah, it's coming along nicely. Little clean up that spot right there. I must have missed that one. Shop back that real quick. Dress it. It's detailed. Okay, she's dressed. She is done. I hit up the seat one more time. It's a little wet yet, it'll dry, and that'll blend in just like that dry look. And on the other side too. This is completed. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. It helps me out. I appreciate it. If you decide to do this, it takes about 3.5, 4 hours. Have fun though if you do. See ya.